up, guys? It's Blacktop Hemi 17 with another video. I ordered these rims probably like a week and a half ago. The tires showed up last Thursday. 3 rims showed up Friday. I ordered 4 rims. Only 3 rims showed up Friday. The rim and tire place calls me and like, yeah, we have your rims, but not all of them. We only have 3. I'm like, okay. And they're like, so we're trying to figure out what happened. So anyway, long story short, they found my rims. My rims finally arrived today. Today is Tuesday. That was Thursday when I talked to them last time. So yeah, I'm excited. 22-inch Hellcat replicas, the bronze in color. There's gonna be 11 width wheel in the back, 9.5 width wheel in the front. What are the tire sizes? What did I get? 275, 35, 22 in the front. 305, 35, 22 in the rear. Going for that aggressive stance. And I think it's gonna look good. So yeah. As always, like, subscribe. This is a new channel, whatever. So if you like the content, go ahead and like. And definitely subscribe. And I'll see you guys in a second. Peace. Relatively quickly. It appears that it's not very busy today. This will be Discount Tire in Richmond, Virginia. So as you can see, my rims and tires are still in the car. They're still not put on. Discount Tire says they can't put the rims and tires on because they rub. So, therefore, we have to take it to another rim shop. Due to their procedures and guidelines and stuff like that, they're not able to put rims and tires on that rubs any part of the body of the vehicle. So, gotta take it to another rim shop. I got another rim shop in mind. It's probably about 25 minutes across town, but I'm pretty sure they can come up with something, and they're gonna probably be able to put them on. But the wheels look sick on the car, so I can't wait. We'll see. Alright, YouTube, so I finally got the wheels put on. I had to go to a different shop because Discount Tire said they wouldn't put it on because the tires appeared like they will rub. So ironically, I took it to the other shop and they put the wheels on and they dropped the car down to the ground, and guess what? The car doesn't rub. It appeared that it rubbed when it was on the lift, but after it actually lowered down to the ground, it didn't rub. So it actually worked out pretty good. So let you guys look at it. Been washed up. So that's 305, 35, 22 at the rear, 11-inch wheel, 275, 30, 22 at the front, 9.5-inch wheel. See that concave? It's a little snazzy, different, something different. I was gonna do black Hellcat Replica wheels. I decided not to do it. I mean, it would look nice, but I mean, it's what everybody does. Everybody puts black and red That side profile. Not a bad hookup. At first I was thinking about actually doing, I actually got the paint and everything ordered through Amazon, red calipers, because I didn't think the yellow would look good, but believe it or not, to me, the yellow actually looks fine. It needs to be touched up, but the yellow actually looks better than I thought it would.